My patoo will be essentially my bed for the night. Bedding. What do I want to do? We got short grass. We could do some aspen leaves. They're nice and dry. They've been sitting in the sun, so I'm not worried about scooping up wet ones or rotten ones. It's not morning, so there's no frost, no dew. I do want to point out that it doesn't seem like a lot of leaves, but if I use my patoo, the biggest thing first, to collect a bunch of leaves, I can then go collect some more of my schmog. So that's what I'm going to do, but I have a little base layer. I feel good.